$25. Dollar bill, y'all. I don't get a family discount. Thank you, Carter.
Carter, what you doing?
Selling donuts.
Are you having fun? Yeah.
How much are they?
$1? Do you think I could give you a penny?
Yeah.
I can get it for a penny?
Yeah.
Oh, you are so awesome!
Not a very good salesman, son.
Look at Mom. Mama said no. Okay. Let's see. How many? What is this? A quarter. How many do you need? Is that $1? Yeah, 4 quarters is $1.
You got it carefully.
Thank you very much.
You say, Carter?
Thank you.
What you working on, Coop?
This is a shop.
Is it? What are you doing to your car, though?
This thing now.
And then what?
I'm gonna get the sport out,
Okay.
and I'm gonna be done.
Okay. Sounds good. What's Carter doing?
Putting the Hot Wheels in here. And the Hot Wheels in here.
That's a lot. You guys are working hard.
Looking at
Is that how I do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you go get the tool thing out of the garage? I'll go get it.
No, I'll get it. I'll get it. Carter, no. I'll get it.
How did you get it? Oh, you did. How quick did you do it?
Quick.
Hello? How are you doing today? Seriously, I'm not about that, but you know the other days I usually do not. Don't video me! I usually do not work on Saturdays. The next day I will.
Zonk. Don't scream.
Is it feel kind
What are we doing, Coop? Do you know what's going on? No? This is your last time driving in this car, probably. Are we gonna get a new car? Okay, no words.
How can you do?
Hey guys, it is Wednesday and we are doing something a little bit crazy and it has been a very hectic day. We are going to drive and like an hour and a half north to go trade our car in for a different car. It's at a dealership. We've been looking for a new car for a while just because we're going to need a bigger car because our car is super small. Since the babies come in, we're going to need a third seat. We only have room for one car seat, 2 car seats, and there's no seat in the middle. So yeah, so we're going, after a lot of negotiating, we finally found a car, and now hopefully everything is the way they say it is when we get there, since we're driving so far. We've coordinated the boys to go places tonight, and yeah, it is like 6:15, so it should be a long evening, but hopefully exciting.
Road trip. So I've had a aftermarket stereo installed in here. I thought I should swap it back for the original stereo since that looks better when, you know, trade in a car. So I'm kind of doing it right now in the car.
While we're driving.
It's the first stereo swap I've ever done at 80 miles an hour. Almost there. Howdy and welcome to Jeremy's mobile stereo install. We're all done in a matter of minutes at 80 miles an hour. Thank you.
70 now.
Correction, 70.
Okay, so we've been saving for this car for a while, and I've been just stashing money in the cupboard. So we got like some money here. This was our tax return. I just cashed a check today. This was vacation money. This was some cleaning money, and I sold a sewing machine a long time ago, and this was like, I don't even know what's in this envelope, but we're gonna give the people like ones.
Costco cash rebate, that's one of them.
Oh, Costco cash rebate, yeah, I don't know. But, yeah, so, I just think it's pretty funny. Alright, I just counted our money. We're short $1 what we told them we would have, so, well, maybe we have 4 quarters in the car. Lots of money. Oh my goodness, what an evening. It is like, yep, I look terrible. I don't even care.
10:30.
It's 10:30 and we just finished at the dealership and we're leaving in our new car and I'm having a really fun day.
Hey, it was an all cash transaction, and what did he say? We made money?
No,
Bye.
no, the dealership only made $11 off of this car that we bought.
Awesome. That's probably after paying commissions and
Yeah.
the money they had into it.
So we talked him down quite a bit, but you know. So
Yeah, they asked $7,600 and we
there's
got
my
it for
car
$6,600.
and we're gonna leave now. Oh my goodness, what a night.
How are you?
I just want to go somewhere. Good. Dad, we don't have Mama's car, but this is funner.
Yes, it is.
Whoa!
Hi, Coop.
How about we do?
How are you?
With Cousin.
He's in.
Wow.
Here.
Really nice, guys.
You can go
Not
in,
too bad.
Poopy.
You can get in. I put your car seat in. I'm working on your starter next.
That is really
Big.
Why are you working on it?
Because it's got to be put in. It was cleaning. Boy, I like these seats.
First car wash in the new car. It needs it.
What about the antenna?
There isn't one in this car. What are you doing, Coop? You eating your chicken with ketchup and barbecue sauce? Mm. How do you eat yours, Carter?
I do this.
Oh.
Eat some.
Papa,
Show me. Show us how you were doing it. Do it with the other end, like you were doing. Can you use this end like you did a minute ago? Show me. Show me how you do it. Do it again. You're very talented.
This is too big for him.